So, when you try to type, ito tayo sa G, no? Oops, wala yung G out. F pala. Hindi sa G, F na siya. Then you need to type test, no? Oops, sorry. Test.txt. Kung ano tong contents ng inyong file, no? So, type ko mo lang magwala. So, that is those commands that we have, no? Commonly used, yung mga command. Okay? So, I hope this video gives you some of the inputs with regards to those commands that we have. Okay? So, kindly repeat the video that we have here so that you can internalize what we have discussed on this kind of topic. Okay? So, thank you very much, guys.